So we're installing a glass wall in a shower. What you want to do is make sure the floor is level, that's where you start. And I put some shims, this type of rubber silicone shims that the glass is gonna rest on. This is a Radaway. So there's one here and one there. That's where the glass is gonna rest on. And then what you want to do is take the side profile and set it on the shim there. Make sure it's level. Okay, so once you've set it on the shim and you make sure it's level, then you just take a marker and mark your drill spots. I'm gonna do that now. Okay, so the holes are drilled. I'll just lay the U profile back in its place, making sure it rests on the lower shim because the glass is gonna rest on it. And we just install the screws. Don't tighten it with a drill, just get it close and then do it by hand. By hand, just make sure you can slide it a little bit left and right and make sure it's leveled. Okay, so the U profile is installed and now all we do is slide in the glass. This is a Radaway. It's got an easy clean coating on one surface. It has a sticker on the surface with an easy clean. So make sure that is towards the shower. First of all, we slide it into the U channel and let it drop gently on the two shims. Afterwards, there's gonna be an extra shim that goes on the inside in between this edge of the U profile and the glass. Make sure the surface that you're gonna lay the glass on is clean. I'm just cleaning it with isopropyl alcohol. Okay, so I just have some nitrile gloves on to not get the glass too dirty. The part where the U profile is, I cleaned it. So I put down a piece of cardboard there to lay it on and then slide it inwards. It's easier if you have two guys doing it, but it's also possible with just one. So just take it up slowly. Okay, so I laid it on the cardboard. Now I'm just gonna try to slide it in the U channel. Okay, now all you have to do is pick it up here and on the side and kick the cardboard out of the way and let it down gently or buy a new glass pen. Alright. Push it. Okay, so it's as easy as that. Now you have to make sure it's level here. This edge is level. If not, you can make it level using different size shims on the bottom. Okay, so if you're done with the shims, you take this silicone rubber gasket spacer and you're gonna install it on the inside here like that. You'll just push it in until it reaches this shoulder here, and you can just use a little bit of window cleaner to make it slide in better. It just slides in very effortlessly if you use window cleaner. Just cut it flush here, and then this part is done, and it looks pretty clean on the inside too. You don't really notice it. So if you're leveled like this and like that, next thing you want to do is measure this and subtract 3 millimeters, and you're going to cut to size, to that size, this aluminum, which I've already done. And then you take this piece, put it on the end here, and the other piece, put it on this end here, and you're going to install it there to mark it on the wall. After that, we're going to drill here.
Okay.
So first of all, you don't need to tighten any screw, just leave it like that. Make sure it's leveled and make a mark where to put this piece. Okay, then put this piece back on its mark and mark for the hole where you need to drill. There. Then screw it in and tighten it by hand. Remove the cap from this piece and put everything back on. Make sure it's well seated. Then tighten these two screws here. Then these two upper screws, making sure it's leveled.
Okay.
Put this upper cap back on and screw it back in. drill the holes that I showed you. It's pretty easy because it's aluminum.
Okay.
Okay, and then just put in the last two screws. It is now installed. All you need to do to finish it up is caulk the exterior and also the interior. And that's all. Solid. It's good. Well, hope this helped. Bye.